Welcome to this video on the daily operations for international banking units (IBUs) in GIFT IFSC. Today, we'll explore the critical tasks that IBUs must perform to ensure smooth operations, stay compliant with regulatory requirements, and maintain robust financial and cybersecurity systems. These operations span across regulatory monitoring, core banking tasks, finance and reporting, and IT controls, each essential for ensuring efficient and effective banking services. Our first focus is regulatory monitoring. In an international banking unit, it's essential to keep track of various regulatory guidelines to ensure compliance with both national and international standards. This includes monitoring the Basel norms, which govern capital adequacy, stress testing, and market liquidity. IBUs must also monitor the liquidity coverage ratio (LCR) to ensure the bank can meet short-term obligations during periods of financial stress. It's also crucial to track exposure norms to avoid overexposure to any one asset class, which could lead to risk. Lastly, monitoring foreign exchange (FX) guidelines ensures that IBUs are compliant with exchange rate regulations, facilitating smooth cross-border transactions. Next, we dive into the core banking tasks that IBUs must handle daily. Anti-money laundering (AML) transaction screening is one of the most critical tasks to detect and prevent any illegal financial activities, ensuring that the bank adheres to both local and international AML regulations. KYC refresh is another ongoing task that ensures customer information is up to date, helping to prevent fraud and comply with regulatory requirements. SWIFT monitoring involves ensuring that all international payments and communications via the SWIFT network are processed securely and efficiently. IBUs also need to review their treasury positions on a daily basis to assess liquidity, cash flow, and risk exposure. Finally, regular credit limit checks are essential to ensure that the bank does not exceed exposure limits to any single customer or financial institution, maintaining a sound risk management framework. The next section involves finance and reporting. IBUs must reconcile their Nostro accounts on a daily basis. Nostro accounts are accounts held in foreign currencies by the bank in another financial institution, and reconciling these accounts ensures that there are no discrepancies between the bank's records and the foreign institution's records. MIS updates are also crucial, ensuring that the management has up-to-date financial data, performance reports, and analytics at their fingertips. Another critical task is validating cross-border transactions to ensure they comply with regulatory requirements, particularly in terms of foreign exchange regulations and tax obligations. Now let's look at SEZ and IT controls. For IBUs operating in GIFT IFSC, it's essential to maintain proper SEZ logs that track the movement of goods, assets, and materials within the Special Economic Zone (SEZ). These logs are essential for complying with customs and regulatory requirements. IBUs must also file SID filings, which are required for the importation of services into the IFSC, ensuring that all services imported are properly documented. Additionally, maintaining cybersecurity logs is critical to ensure that all digital transactions and communications are secure and protected against cyber threats. Lastly, access monitoring involves tracking and managing user access to sensitive banking systems, ensuring that only authorized personnel have access to critical financial data and operations. As we've seen, international banking units, IBUs, in GIFT IFSC play a crucial role in maintaining financial stability and regulatory compliance. From monitoring regulatory guidelines, performing core banking tasks, ensuring accurate finance reporting, and managing IT and SIS controls, IBUs are essential for the efficient functioning of financial systems within the IFSC. By staying disciplined in these daily operations, IBUs ensure they meet global standards of excellence in the banking sector. Munses and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence, a pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling complaints, risk management. renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university, BATF, and ancillary regulations, and fintech expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA, comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.